Hello, crypto gaming and NFT enthusiasts. Today we're going to take a look at a Solana-based game called Nekoverse, and it's got everything from battling to farming to crafting, staking, even bringing back NFTs from the dead. So we're going to get into it quickly here. First, I want to let you know this isn't financial advice. Please do your own due diligence before jumping into any project. If you're interested in finding out more about crypto gaming, please smash that like button and subscribe and click that bell notification, and we'll notify you whenever we put a new video out. So let's jump into Nekoverse and see what it's all about. First, we've got these really cool looking characters, fully 3D, that are going in beyond the world that we know. The ancient gods split the Neko elements into three different classes. There's the Origin Squad, and these are the characters that have been minted so far. In a few weeks or so, the Pancha Triad will be coming out, and then later on there'll be another mint for the Void Dyad. This is a great thing that keeps the community involved because they always want the next thing coming down the pipeline. You'll see how we progress, how the developers have really thought this out. It's great. It got a great marketing plan behind it and a great way to keep people involved while they're waiting for the game to be developed. Each of the Nekos will have different attributes. They all come in the same level, and then you level up as you do different things, battling or farming and crafting items within the Nekoverse. So you'll get different attacks, levels, etc. You can see they can add armor, berries from farming, etc. And then the other cool thing is there's going to be different professions that you can choose. Farmers, crafters, breeders, and even necromancers. And the necromancers will revive fallen Nekos from lost battles in the Chaos Land, which we'll get into in a minute. But first I wanted to show how cool they're working their Discord. So I wanted to show this cool economy that they've created within just their Discord. So it's going to be, maybe a few months before the game is actually launched, and because we're looking at sometime, I think, Q2 to Q3 of 2022. But they've created this Anima Spirit Fragment, ASF, and you get role perks assigned according to the amount of NFT you have verified. So if you're not verified, you can still actually, you don't get passive income, but you will still get an annual percentage yield on whatever you earn from just posting in the general chat, etc. And then you can get higher amounts based on how many you're holding. Up to 5 NFTs and above, you actually get 600 of the ASF a day, and then once it's staked, you get 0.6% per day added to that. So it's a really cool thing, and the rewards are pretty cool because you can actually they've got a casino built in where you can play blackjack, roulette, slot machines, etc. You get an early access breeding ticket, so you can breed 5 days early once the breeding lab's accessible. You can get a novice pet for 5,000, an almighty pet for 15,000, and these are about, the floor on the almighty pets is about 0.35. And then the only way to get the whitelist ticket for the Pancha Triad, which is the next release, you have to get 25,000. All things disclosed, I did go ahead and jump in. I've got 6 Nekos myself, and was going to show how the Neko Bank is really cool, how it works. You can just click balance, and oops, if I don't typo it, you can type balance, and you'll see that today I've got 505 cash, 3656 in the bank, and 4161. And I do have 5 Nekos, so that I'm getting those 600 rewards per day too. But this is just my second day in here. And then you can just hit deposit all, and it will deposit my 505 into my bank. And then I'm adding, getting the rewards on that. So I just thought that was a really cool thing. I know other Discords are doing that, but it's a great way to keep people engaged within the Discord itself before the game comes out. I'll have the link to join the Discord in the section below, so check that out so you can see how ASF works. And now we'll jump over to the white paper. I love how detailed this white paper is rather than just being text-based. They've really gone out, put the graphics in it, shown what the game is going to be like, kind of what the feel is going to be like as you're in this metaverse. And as we jump into the prologue, we have the eggs, and they specify that we believe every game, blockchain or traditional, play to earn or play for fun, should strive to deliver enjoyment for players. So they're focusing on that. So the Nekoverse, once again, is a play-to-earn, massive multiplayer online role-playing game, an MMORPG that's built using the Solana blockchain. What is Necco? These characters are the Necco, and they're distributed as, of course, non-fungible tokens. The release for this was at the end of December. And so they've been out for a few weeks, and you can actually pick them up on the floor for under 1 Sol. Right now it's about $80 to get in, so it's a really inexpensive project to get into. And once you've got your Necco, you can earn an ASF within the Discord and then get those rewards, whether that be pets or building up for the whitelist. As far as that goes. There's all these elements, levels, and professions they've thought out, where they've got fire, nature, earth, and water. These were the first Neckos that were released, then the Pancha Triad that will be released in the next few weeks, spirit, ice, and lightning. And then we've got the Void Dyad, the light and dark. Then you can go through this. Every Necco starts at level 1. But one of the things I love about this is the cool professions that people can pick from. Some of the professions are blacksmith, alchemist, hunters, merchants. It's not like if you're just a crafter, you can do one thing. It looks like there's all kinds of different things you can do. There'll be breeding. Two different Neckos can breed and create a different creature. And then there's summoning. Players can summon Neckos with special elements using the summoning portal. So there's all these really cool things within the game. The core gameplay is the battling. Like a lot of other projects, if it were just a battle game, I wouldn't be as excited about it. But since there are so many other aspects of it, it says that mastering the combats will require serious understanding of the 3 main pillars: elements, skills, and stats, levels, equipments. So all things that are in game that you can level up your character with to make it more powerful. It just gives us some ideas of what battle mode might be like. You can do 1 versus 1, 2 versus 2, tag team battles, tournament competition, raid battles. So all kinds of different battles that you'll be able to do with whether you want to be a single player or whether you want to battle multiple people. You can explore, do exploration and resources designed for the wanderlust, more like me, allowing players just to explore hidden richness of the Nekoverse, keeping balanced gameplay between relaxed exploration and intense battles, and then item crafting, like we talked about earlier. There are elemental realms, so you get to pick which realm you want to belong to, and the elemental realms are safe, but then once there are places you can leave, like the City of Greed. The City of Greed is where the in-game economy takes place, and lands in this realm will be sold to players, allowing them to create guilds, establish player governance districts, and unlock economic activities in the game through purchasing special buildings in the land. It offers a medium level of security for players. Battles are allowed, but it can decrease your Necco's health. But then there's Chaos Land, which is the uncharted region in the Nekoverse, which is high risk, high reward. So if you want to battle at the upper level, then the Chaos Land is where you would go. But you do have the chance of actually losing the life of your Necco, at which point in time I'm guessing that a necromancer would bring that NFT back to life. And then they'll have staking and farming mechanics as well. With their in-game currency is ASG, and that is received. And once you stake that, then you receive the governance token, and then you can actually stake the government's token back to receive ASG. The team is shown here. They've got 10 people on the team itself, and while there aren't any links to find out more about them, I've been really impressed with the launch they've done, how they've built the Discord and really kept the Discord moving even after the launch. We can jump over to howrare.is and take a look at the items. Looking at only for sale, we've got 712 out of 10,000 items, 2,093 owners, so about every owner owns about 4 of these is what it's looking like. The volume is pretty high, and I've seen these turn over really quickly. And another way they keep the community going, they've already released NekoPets. These are going to help to boost your Necco as it travels through the metaverse, whether that be for battling or for farming or crafting items as well. So I think the Nekoverse is going to be a really fun, interesting game to see how the gameplay comes out. And once they start rolling out more information on how the lands are going to work and exactly how the battling is going to work, you can see here some of the other creatures they've got available. I actually found one with the wings that I aped into myself. We can see the roadmap where we're right on track. They've already released their white paper. They had marketplace listings, the first NekoPlace offering, and they'll soon be releasing the Nekoverse token and the second Necco NFT offering and breeding. And then as we get into Q2 through Q4, then battle mode will come out, temple staking, elemental realms, and land cells. And then we continue into next year with the City of Greed, the guild system, Chaos Land, and the summoning portal. So it'll be launched in phases, and it's kind of cool to get in on the ground floor of something. They've really just begun. So you can jump in, get a Necco, maybe get a pet or two, and start earning some ASF to get onto the whitelist for the upcoming second offering. So I hope you found this information valuable. Once again, I'm in the Nekoverse, and hope to see you over there. Jump into their Discord and check it out for yourself. Do your research, and maybe we'll see you in the Nekoverse. This is Michael Ray. If you found this valuable, please do click that like button, and feel free to subscribe and click the bell notification. We'll notify you whenever we put out new videos. So thanks for your time, and have a great one.